the current slab which I have shown you, 1 lakh to 10 lakh rupees slab. Put your energy towards that slab, and you will be able to do MDRT. And starting of that will be this 9 days festival. Now, let me give you some insights about how to do MDRT in 70 days of time. The first point is this question called as, do you have a vision? Do you have a vision? कि आपके माइंड में वो विजन है, आपकी वो आपकी बिलीफ है कि एक मुझे बड़ा करना है. Right, that is called as a vision, that I want to achieve something great, and I want to share with you from a great person called as Vincent van Gogh. He was a great Dutch painter, right? Dutch में एक great painter था, कुछ साल पहले, करीब 200 साल पहले था वो. And Vincent van Gogh ने करीब 10 साल के अंदर में 2100 पेंटिंग किया था. And in these 2100 paintings, 540 paintings were oil paintings, and he was considered to be one of the best in oil painting at that time. And even today, he's been considered as one of the best in the Dutch as a painter. Now, Vincent van Gogh ने एक बहुत ही interesting line बताया, and I want to connect that with this point called as, do you have a vision? Vincent van Gogh ने ये point बताया कि first I dream my paintings and then I paint my dreams. सोचिए कितना पावरफुल स्टेटमेंट है. मैं पहले मेरे पेंटिंग्स का सपना देखता हूं और उसके बाद मेरे सपने को मैं पेंट करता हूं. Right, and it's an amazing example for us to quote to our vision statement which I'm talking about, which is MDRT, from what Vincent van Gogh has said long years before, 200 odd years before, that first I dream my paintings and then I paint my dreams. My question to you is, have you dreamt your painting? अगर आपने आपकी ड्रीम के बारे में अभी तक, आपकी पेंटिंग के बारे में अभी तक ड्रीम नहीं देखा है, मेरा रिक्वेस्ट है कि आज देखो. MDRT होना चाहिए आपकी पेंटिंग. Right, you start thinking about this as your vision, that in next 70 days of time I will do MDRT, and for that I will use this 9 days festival and start off it very well. So great learning from Vincent van Gogh say that first you dream your painting, which in our case is MDRT, is the painting. And once you dream that painting, which means that you have a vision, the next step is to think about how to make it reality. Now I want to show you this picture, and I'm sure that every one of you would have understood this picture by now. It is a GPS system. हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि GPS system, हम बहुत यूज करते हैं GPS system को. इधर हम मोबाइल में GPS डालते हैं अगर हमको कहीं जाना है तो, या कि हम लोग टैक्सी में एंटर किया तो they immediately put GPS system. But when you put in a GPS system, what do you put first? आप क्या उसमें रिकॉर्ड करते हैं first? You record what is your destination. आप ये रिकॉर्ड करते हैं. द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच जीपीएस विल आस्क यू इज व्हाट इज योर डेस्टिनेशन. आप कहां जाना चाहते हो. बट लाइफ में या हमारी जॉब में, बिजनेस में, शायद ये क्वेश्चन हम लोग पूछता नहीं है. एंड इट्स अ मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. अगर ये सवाल आपने पूछा नहीं है तो आपको कैसे भगवान भी लेके जा सकता है. राइट, इफ भगवान इज आवर जीपीएस, he would want to know where exactly you want to go. Then he can take you to that place. And hence my question to all of you is, you decide your destination today. आपको आज आपकी destination decide करना है. Right, you've come all now early in the morning for this meeting. You decide what is your destination, and I think the destination can be MDRT even now. 90 days is good enough for you to become an MDRT. Right, so like what we do practically on an everyday basis with our GPS system, you decide what is your destination. Right, destination के बिना if you start your work, I can tell you that we are not going to reach anywhere. आप खुद ही सोचिए कि आपने एक टैक्सी में बैठ गया, आपको वो सवाल पूछ रहे ओला या उबेर की ड्राइवर, आपको कहां जाना है, आपको पता नहीं है कहां जाना है, आप बोले कहीं भी लेके जाओ, एंड यू नो दैट you yourself will get bored after some time and you will come back home. But if you tell that I want to go to Bangalore airport, then you will be going to Bangalore airport, right? So there is a destination, and then the taxi driver can take you to that destination. So it is important in life, it's important in business that we set our destination, which is called as vision. Right, which is in this case MDRT. Once you set the vision, what is the next step? Very interesting person, Mr. Winston Churchill. I'm sure all of you know about Winston Churchill. He was one of the most successful prime ministers of UK. इसलिए उनको most successful माना जाता है क्योंकि Winston Churchill के टाइम में that country has won, Britain has won the Second World War. Winston Churchill has said a very interesting thing which I want to share with you. Winston Churchill has said that success comes to those people who move from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm. सक्सेस या सफलता ऐसे लोगों के पास जाता है जो फेलियर से फेलियर लगातार एक फेलियर से दूसरी फेलियर से तीसरी फेलियर ऐसे मूव करते रहते हैं विदाउट लूजिंग एनी एंथुसियाज्म. उनकी एनर्जी कोई डाउन नहीं होते, enthusiasm नहीं डाउन होते, but they follow the process. They don't worry about when the success is going to come, and one day that success will come. That's a very, very powerful statement which was told by Winston Churchill. And I want to share with you this, that once you have your vision, once you have your destination, that my destination is MDRT, my destination is that 10 lakh rupees slab in this contest, what you have to do is convert that into monthly goal, weekly goal, and then if you have courage, make it daily goal. डेली गोल. करेज चाहिए डेली गोल सेट करने के लिए. आप ये सोच सकते हैं कि मेरे एमडीआरटी के लिए 30 लाख रुपए का टारगेट है, मैं 3 महीने में कर लूंगा एमडीआरटी का टारगेट. दैट इज वेरी इजी टू डिसाइड. बट अगर आपने डिसाइड कर लिया कि मैं 70 डेज के अंदर में अगर एमडीआरटी करना है, मुझे 10 लाख बाकी है, 15 लाख बाकी है, 20 लाख बाकी है, एंड इफ यू डिसाइड दैट आई विल पुट ए गोल फॉर मी फॉर एवरी डे, दैट रिक्वायर्स करेज. एवरी डे एक पॉलिसी मैं क्लोज करूंगा. बिना एक पॉलिसी क्लोज करके आई विल नॉट लुक एट टू मी इन माई मिरर. मैं खुद के मिरर में जाके देखना नहीं चाहूंगा, और मैं देखूंगा और मैं बोलूंगा मैंने आज क्लोज नहीं किया, आई विल डू 2 tomorrow. So that is very important. He says it doesn't matter, you may move from failure to failure, it doesn't matter, but if you take a daily goal, that gives you a lot of courage and conviction that you can one day reach there. But it requires lot of courage, right? Because every day आप खुद को सवाल पूछने वाला है कि आज मेरा वन पॉलिसी हुआ कि नहीं. Now once you have